Hello ladies and gentlemen, we all know that we love trains and sometimes we love toys on the trains, right? So today we're going to do a tutorial on how to mount these toys, like say the Lego toys or Disney toys, on the flat card like this. So this is a Santa Fe flat card that I got from Amazon. It comes with 6-pack, so you have, I'm showing only 5 here because I'm using the last one for the camera, for mounting the camera. So right now we're going to do a tutorial on how to mount Lego toys like this. See? It's not moving. Yeah? And then as well as toys like this. I think I mount the yeah. So this is the Guardian of the Galaxy. So if you tilt it, it stay put. Okay? Okay, so if you want to mount any Lego toys on the flat card, right? This is the old gauge flat card, okay? So now you need some base plates like this. So what I have right here is a 4x8 base plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 plates like this. Okay, 7 plates. And then I'm gonna use tape. Okay, what I'm gonna do is going to put the plates together as a big rectangle. Right, so we have like the first 4 studs with the studs right here. Okay, I'm gonna do it over until all the 7 plates are put together. Okay, and then that's the whole length of the flat card that I have. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now to get the effect is that this one right here. So this one is already mounted. So you can see it. They can pop like this at party. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I want to take the center plate off. Okay. Then I'm going to use tape to tape across from here to here and here to here. And then after taping, I'll put the center piece on here. Okay? So let's do it right now. Make sure you got this flash over here. Now after you do that, the tape here, you want to kind of push in a little bit. You want to make sure the sides are taped down here, so it doesn't have to show. Okay, both sides. And then you want to tape it to the platform. And platform only. The tape is really strong, so you gotta make sure it's center and flush to the side. Okay, and that's the best I can have right here. And then you just press it down on the side. Okay, let's do the same thing for the other side. I think this part is a little bit not flush to the right. Let's do this other side here. Again, same technique. I'll tape down here. And just push it down in the center. Tape it down to the side. And then tape it to the platform. And you don't want to put any wrinkles on the tape. So this tape is kind of wrinkled over here already. So I'm going to do it over. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, let's tape it down. Like that. You want to make sure you push it down on the platform. Okay. Push down real tight so it's tight. Okay. Now you want to put the centerpiece on here as well. You don't want to push the car with the platform. You want to kind of like pick it up and push it in like this. Okay. Now we have a platform that's pretty stable. All right. Then we're going to use the scissors to cut off the excess. The access right here. You don't want the access to be shown because you want to look like it's like really just built on to the platform. Okay, like this. Okay, now your Lego stud play is ready to build. But you don't want to build too high, if you will, because it's only holding up by the tape. Right? If you have like a heavy item on top, then as the train moves, it might shift. Okay? So the end result could look like this right here. Okay? I have my minions. Oh, hey, big dude, come back. So I have my minions figures on top. So as the string moves, I'm pretty sure this plate is not going to fall off because the tape here already. Okay? So next we're going to look at how we tape down the minifigures like this guys right here. So these guys, if you notice, all my toys have a little platform right here. So I'm going to use the same technique. I use 2 tapes, just front and back, to tape down the platform onto the flat car. Okay, so this one has already been done. Just tape it down just to make sure that when the train runs, this guy don't fall off. Alright, so the holding power is kind of minimal, but it works. Okay, so right now we're gonna tape down the Disney guys. So this is the guy without the tape. Alright, without the mounting with the tape, they are pretty vulnerable to shaking. I mean, you could run your train really slowly, but that's not ideal, right? You want to run the train like in a decent speed. Okay, so make sure you place your figures in the position that you want it. Then we just tape the front and back of the figure, or any side that you can tape it to the platform. For let's say the Donald Duck right here. Okay, let's take this guy off. Donald Duck here, we're gonna tape down on the back side because that's the only space we have, right? Tape it down. Make sure you pin it down here as much as possible so you don't see the actual tape on the platform. And then let's say we want to do the front. So you don't want to tape on the actual figures out, you want to just tape on the platform. Okay. Make sure yes. So when you kind of smooth it out on the platform, you don't quite see the tape on the platform. And that's all you see. Okay. Make sure you smooth out the side as well. Okay, stone it up. It's good to go. So when you tape, you don't have to do it actually front and back, but the tape has to be kind of diagonal to each other, right? So it prevents the figures from moving. Okay, one other tip I want to show you guys, that when the platform of the figure is really small like this, you can't really put a tape on it. You can do a little diamond like this, yeah, like that. So it's easier to tape on to put on the platform of the figure, and then you just tape it down like this. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. So now we got all the cards set up behind the locomotive. This is my Polar Express string right here. Okay, and then I just clamp them on here with the clamp. The first card we're gonna display the Disney, Mickey Mouse and Friends. And then we have Zootopia, and then we have the Minion families right here. Oh, this one is my new addition. This one is a little Christmas tree I created. So it's basically a tree decoration right here, and then you have the lights wrapped around it, so you can just turn it on like that. Turn it on, come on. Like that. Okay, so this is our little Christmas tree. And then the next card is our Minions. Alright. And then lastly we have the Guardians of the Galaxy figures. Well, today they're gonna be the Guardians of the Christmas Village. Alright, so the string is already set up, so I'm gonna run the train in my platform and see how it goes, okay? So one thing you want to make sure that you have, if you have a terminal, make sure you have enough clearance for all the figures you have, okay? Okay, this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys like my idea. Merry Christmas!